How to join Telegram private channel without invite link. In today's video, I'll show you how to join a Telegram private channel without an invite link, even after the new update. So let's get started. By default, private channels on Telegram require an invite link to join, but there are still simple workarounds you can try. So let's get over them. If you know the exact username or channel ID, you can still search for it manually. All you need to do is simply open your web browser and simply type in the following, that is https t.me/ and your exact channel name or username. Now simply for this example, I'll be writing in Marvel and searching for it. As you can see here, John Woo has the access to it. Simply click on allow and you can simply send him or her a message. Now let's try another group name. Simply type in the exact format and simply write the group name. As you can see here, simply click on allow again, and here you can simply tap on join group to simply join the group. And that's it. That's how you can simply join a Telegram private channel without an invite link.